So I'm filming this all out of order, but you know, if you got a Mustang this body style, I think '05 to maybe '09, and if you got a mirror that's messed up like mine was, like so, none of this is connected, all you need to replace it is a flathead and an 11mm wrench. So you start off, all you gotta do is get off in here, you pry this loose, pop it loose like that, and then you got these 3 bolts and this plug. So I'm gonna rewind you back to where I actually started on this. So here we go. So back again, another Mustang day. I figure I'd go ahead and replace this mirror. Been looking at it for a while. I hadn't had an actual replacement mirror for like a month by now, but I don't know why I hadn't actually replaced it. But all it is these 3 bolts right here. So those 3, and then this little plug has to come out. So just gotta push this in, and I feel like I gotta use a screwdriver to kind of press against it. So give me a second. Yeah, but screwdriver, pry against this little piece. So that's out, and all you need is, these should be like 10mm, I think. Do they fit? Nope. So this is probably 11 or 12, something weird and Mustang related. Yeah, so the 11 works. So 3 11s, and this will be off. So 3 bolts are off, plug is out. There we go. So out with the old. I might keep that to play around with for later as a test, but that'll be another story for another time. So this thing, you just line it up with, my bad, camera all over the place. Boom, still all over the place. But you just press this in and put some bolts on it to stay put, and then we should be good. All right, so just like that, bolted up, plugged up, and got myself a mirror that's actually fitting right. So still a little ashy, but whenever I wrap the car, I think I'm gonna repaint both of these mirrors like a gloss black, just a fresh coat of gloss. So, but at least that's out the way. So I know it's a project car, but don't really have to be ugly all the time. And I gotta find the little triangle piece that's on that side. I got it in here somewhere. I just gotta figure out where I put it. It might be in the trunk or something. I don't know, but find that piece, put that back on there, and this will be good. All right, and found the piece, but just line up this stuff, the little tabs or whatever, line all of that up, and everything just snaps in place. So same deal if you were having to take this off to get started. Just get your flathead, pry between here, pop it off, pop it from that way, and just pull back. So pretty simple, but yeah, quick little job. So now we are on to the next episode of trying to figure these dents out, but that'll be another video. So I'll catch y'all on that one.